Just Joe here. I'm going to show you a leg movement that I've been doing in several of my classes at A Beautiful Surprize Pilates in Herriman, also Pilates Revolution in Draper. But it's a hinge motion where you're going to get the front of your thighs. So you're going to take your toes together and your knees apart. We're starting sitting down. Hands are at our sides. We're going to lift ourselves up, bring those fingertips together. You want to press those hips forward and lean back. So you're lower, lift, lower, lift. You're going to get those glutes as well because you're squeezing the glutes as you push those hips forward. We've got 10 total, so we're on 4, 3, 2, last one. We're going to stay lifted. Arms are out in front. We're going to hinge, lean it back. You want to keep this body nice and flat. So we're not sticking our butt out. Nice and flat. We're going to take it side to side. So we're left, touch that floor, right, side to side. Really keeping those feet anchored to the floor. Feeling that pull and that twist through the thighs and the obliques. Now let's count because I was talking. Let's do 4, 3, 2, last one, lifting up. We're going to take the arms out and in as we lean it back and forth. And I'm actually too close to that wall right now. So back to center. Arms out, lean it back, take it out and up, out and up. 10 times. Four, 3, 2, last one, keep it back, little pulse and pulse. Nice T arms, little pulse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. We're going to go back to that up, but we're going to come all the way up. Push those hips forward. And lower. Four, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down. Just one variation of legs that we did in class. So come check us out. Beautiful Surprise Pilates. It's in Herriman, and I teach 5:30 in the morning and 6:30 in the morning on Monday, and 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. on Thursday.